Hello everybody, just J Studio, and today I'm going to show you how you can take basic items from the Dollar Tree and make your own DIY lighting setup. First, you're going to need an LED light. These are some headlights I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1, and they're going to be the main thing we'll use. Next, we'll have some poster tack, easy to use. We'll use this as a major part to connect stuff in the project. Next, of course, we'll need something to power the light. These are some cheap AAA batteries you can also pick up for Dollar Tree for under $1, and they should be what we'll use. This next item is going to be the most important part. This is some parchment paper. You can pick this up for a Dollar General or any dollar place for about $1 or $2. They're going to be the most important part, as this will light up the whole thing and get diffused soft light. Okay, so now we're just showing off the light, the bots of course, and we're just unboxing it right now. And like, this is just a show off the light before we do the DIY part of this. It's a nice light. It actually, like, it looks nice. It's really small, portable. You can take it anywhere. Like we said earlier, it does take AA batteries. And has 3 different modes, like a high power, low power, and then a flash mode. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend sticking that in your face when you cut it on. But let's just move on to the actual DIY itself. Okay, first you'll need the parchment paper. You put it under there and you cut out outline right in front of it, as you can see in the video. Like, once you have the outline, you can take some of the poster tack. This will be able to hold the parchment paper together since it's a non-stick type of substance. But once you do that, you're done. Just connect it to it and you have the complete stand. You can put this on the back. I'll show you why that's for later. But here is the completed project. Okay, so I'm now going to show you why we put that sticky tack on the back of it. So as you can see, due to the lightweight, you can easily stick this to about any substance. So we're going to use it to light up the shelf. So currently you're seeing it without the LED light on, but now as you cut it on, voila, it just lights up the entire environment. For the final part of this, I really want to put lights as tests. We're going to use these lights to lamp this entire environment. Like, as you can see, there was some natural lighting, and you can see with just one of the LED lights, you can easily just tell the difference between with the natural lighting and with the LEDs, which is really good for basically like under $10 for all 3 of these that I'm using to lamp the environment.